Experience unmatched cordless light output in a solution that is built to adapt, perform, and survive in the most demanding conditions. The Milwaukee M18 LED Searchlight allows you to spot further and flood brighter by delivering over 700 yards of beam distance. This searchlight performs with a pivoting head that provides 1,250 lumens of TRUEVIEW high-definition light output. This light output gives you a natural white light without generating heat like you'd experience with a halogen light. 4 light output modes give you the ability to adapt to the situation in hand. Spot Flood illuminates your immediate surroundings while providing a long-distance beam. Flood mode is great to light up areas directly out in front of you. Spot mode is designed for long-distance illumination, and strobe mode can be utilized for safety purposes. You need a light that's built to withstand abuse on and off the job. The M18 LED Searchlight is IP54 rated for dust and water resistance and designed with an exterior that can survive drops, falls, or whatever else you throw at it. Milwaukee high-output lighting adapts, performs, and survives in the most demanding job site conditions.